I Am by Sean Wills. I am from a beautiful tropical country, blessed with rain and sunshine. I am from Guyana, the only English speaking nation on the continent of South America. I am from a land of dazzling beauty and the highest waterfall in the world. I am from the hard-working and determined people of a gentle nation, the product of success that blooms like a perennial flower in all of its glory. I am from a family that shares and cares for each other, and above all appreciates the success of everyone.